call it the quick and flip. Might see a move come your way, then dip. Quick and flip. A move come your way, then dip. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick. So we bank on the move. Bank on the move. On the move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. You gotta wait for the candle to close. The first move is not always the real move. But once you catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Bank on the move. Bank, 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 bank,
Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know.
The show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Raise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TV.
entertaining thing on the internet. Yo.
TV.
From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
on the internet.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Matt? Every fucking day. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max. And I'm with the one and only Lama Red Pajama, Mr. Sober. Pay to Plato. And we are live, baby. It is April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day. Ha! So many funny April Fool's jokes today, guys. Are you guys ready for all your friends to fool you? Fucking gay. The market is live, baby. We are live. See a little dump off right here, but I'm not going to lie. I want to see a continuation of yesterday's up move so bad, Lama. I want to see it so bad.
I'm not gonna lie, Max. I just came to tell you I can't stream today. I'm out of here, bro.
April Fool's joke.
April Fool's dummies.
Guys, I'm here to tell you that I am not profitable. I'm a grifter. I make all my money
I
from
really like. I wanted. All right,
affiliations,
I'm gonna tell you the game plan.
and I did not just
Wanted to see the show from up here. We
request
didn't hit
a
it.
$3,000 payout. I did not just request a $3,000 payout. All of my vehicles are rented, and I'm homosexual. So I wanted to get that off my chest.
I
wanted
really wanted to see NQ come here, bro. And yes is there. This is gonna dump.
You want to see MQ come? Whoa.
Join the ninja. Oh, fucky sucky. Give me yucky.
This dude's not even in the ninja. They have a fucking sea lion in his place because he didn't join the ninja. What a fucking rookie.
Brother.
What a rookie. Guys, I'm telling the truth. I am homosexual. I'm very sexual.
I don't know if you guys noticed, he hasn't said April Fool's one time. Like, he's not lying.
Wait, are you supposed to say April Fools?
If you're fooling, but you're not fooling. You just got me drooling. Market's currently going back up.
I don't think I'm allowed to
looking very strong
trade.
here. 110 is my real area of interest here. If we break through 110, I'm interested in longs. If it holds, I'm shorting it. That's my real area. Let's see how price reacts around it.
On God, I'll go long on a break above right here. Like on God, for 100 breaks, I'm long, Lama. I'm long.
I'm waiting for 110s, my area.
Little pulley back, and gonna get ready for the shotgun long. Bam. Bam, just like that. So long.
That's a
I'm
thick
so
cut.
long. I'm so
50-pointer.
I'm so long. I'm so
10 seconds.
long.
If I see a candle pull back after this, I'll jump into it. If
I'm
it
in the
goes
long.
without me,
I'm
it
in it.
goes without me, bro.
Come on, keep going. I'm literally TPing a little bit, like 5 more points. I'm TPing out. If we just get a little continuation, like 5 more points, I'm TPing out. I'm right below this candle's wick. We're getting close. Candle's stop loss already up at 16. I'm up 20 points. I'm up 30 points. TP's right at 16. 30 points on the schlong. I want to see a continue. Give me a little continue. I'm already making bread, hella bread, cheddar, scretta. It's all right if we get stopped. No biggie, no wiggy, no chiggy, my biggie. Let's see if we get that.
I wanted a
Yeah.
deeper pullback to jump in. I'm just sitting around.
I'm in
Not
that
taking it.
schlong. I'm in the schlong. Stop loss at 16 hasn't been tested yet. All right, I took some bread there. Took a little off the table there. 1,800 across 5 accounts. I'm still holding 3 minis on wealth. Still holding 3 minis on wealth. If we get a pop above 35, I'm going to raise my dip. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Here we go. I'm up 48 points. I'm up 50 points. Moving my stop up. Moving my stop up to 32. I'm up 50 fucking points. We're gonna just trail above the previous structure candle. That puts me. Whoa! Moving stop loss up to 43. Move stop loss up to 43. I'm up 58 points. I'm up 58 points, trailing tight. I'm stopped. I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out. 58 points on the long. 58 points on the long. And I'm out right there. And currently up, I don't know, like $20,000 on the fundeds, I guess.
Good shit.
And the long is still ripping. If you guys are still in the
trade.
long, keep a stop loss above the previous candle low. Remember, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Don't let the structure fool you. Keep riding it, baby. Congratulations, everybody. I am unable to trade my Tradeify accounts. Oh, bro, look at this. 95% gains on the Microsoft YOLO. Almost 100% bagger on an option. I haven't hit an option bagger like that in a fucking minute.
Like that one out of you. I'm not gonna lie, twin.
I'm not gonna lie, twin. I've been going berserk. I've been going
just take that high though. We do have a divergence going on. This pullback could get a little deep. I kind of want to.
Have you guys ever seen anything as sexual as me? Hold on, Lama.
This orb is big as fuck already. Yeah, this orb is decent. I think we might. I don't want to see it tap all the way back down to 110. But if it does break this high, I mean, it's just gonna go. I think it's kind of worth the risk to reward here to risk like 5 points and short it.
Bro, how are my leaps doing? Is tech leading the way?
66 maybe.
Oh, I'm up a bag.
I think I'm gonna get in a short for a 66 stop loss. It's like 8 points. See if I lose 8 points here. Let's see if it goes all the way back down. I instantly got pulled out. Instantly got pulled out.
Rejecting.
This bitch has room. No pullback on this. I think the pullback could be aggressive as fuck later. This is an aggressive move up. Very aggressive move up.
Microsoft. What's my final price target? Look at this pop, baby. Let's go, guys. 75 plus points since the initial long entry that daddy said.
Let's is exploding. It's like going crazy. This equilibrium. This could be another area that holds. If it breaks through this, honestly, it goes to the top all the way at 250. But we're just so like aggressive right now that it's like I want to take a move back down. Like I really do.
I'm gonna hold Microsoft Llama until 382 to 385. That's gonna be my final price target. 382 to 385, which I think it could go higher long term, which is why I'm in my leaps. But my 1 week, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna see if I can get $10 more out of it. That would be a 300% gainer. 300%. And I'll tell you right now, I've never seen anything.
How much did you put on it?
I've never seen
anything. Chicken on it?
No, I just put like $1,500 and it's currently up like 1,700.
It's not bad. I like this hesitation, bro, but we're just so aggressive that like I can't just ignore the fact that we're aggressive as fuck right now.
It's just so
I like this zero hold.
So
at least some type of pullback. You never break through fib levels without untesting. I think it's gonna fall pretty aggressive. Might just be like a random ass thick joint, and I want to be in that thick joint. So if we tap the 0 on NQ, there's the top of it. If it breaks through, fuck it, I close it, but I'm gonna jump right here and see what happens. I'm doing a lot of anticipation trades, which like I shouldn't be doing, but like I'm risking 8 points on this one too. So it's like whatever. 18 points, no rig deal. Don't really care, please. Currently in 5 points of drawdown. See if it flips or not. A flip would be a fucking key right here.
Bro, this ripper, holy
so
fuck.
key right
The long
here.
was so good. This was a free day, chat. This was a free
long
day.
is exploding. I feel like I'm late on it.
Chat, this
Rather
is a
just
free
short.
day.
Rather just short the long and see what happens.
Berserk. Do we have a hand sanitizer? Fuck.
Oh yeah, it's exploding. Did not flip. Did not flip. What time is it?
Let's go, baby. Look at this, chat. Free
Oh, it's
chicken, baby.
exploding.
Let's go. Tech leading the fucking way. 90 points since first entry. And cooking with gas.
Let's see. Does it pull back or not? I'm looking at -2 points. One flip down could take me for 60. It's kind of worth it.
And I'm so high. And I'm so high.
Do I close break even? Here's the question. We're not showing no hesitation. It's all up to this next candle. 5 minutes about a print. This 5-minute print is going to tell us if we're wrong or not.
I've been holding in my poo-poo for the last few minutes, and I feel like I got to go poo-poo. Hobby was at my house. I got to meet Hobby. I got to meet Hobby and the whole fam.
We're getting the pullback. That's a 5 minute.
I got to meet Hobby and the whole
fam. Be a partial here at the 5 minute. Oh my God. Hold on. We're printing. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. I'm 24 points in profit. Hold the phone. I'm going to have to take a partial there.
Hold the phone, daddy.
Hold the phone. That's a good candle. That's what we're looking for. 30 points in profit. Hold on. I don't know if I want a partial yet.
No.
Kind of good
here.
No.
Wait till midline.
30 points. Oof. I think I just go break even and see what happens here. Fuck it. We'll take 1 and we'll leave 2 fully break even. We'll leave 2 fully break even. That was a nice candle. If this pulls back, fuck it. I'm not going to be surprised, but I want to hold it to at least the 30s. That's what I was talking about. This little move right here. It's like last fair value is all the way down here. If it comes to here, we're good, but I want to see it come to 110.
Lama, check your messages real quick.
Text or
Discord? Do you have that? Yes or no?
no?
Okay. Set that up?
No, I got one. It's the same. Send it to you.
Text it to me real quick so I can get that set up.
Yeah. All right. Well, I think as long as we're under 70, we should see a continuation to like, I really want to see this FVG get tapped. That was the nice candle we were looking for though. Right at the 0, 36 pointer. We just got to continue here. I'd love to see a 3-bar. A doji with a 3-bar tells us everything. If not, we're cooked.
Guys, don't forget, it's the first of the month, baby. Lock in with your fucking props. Let's go. Don't be out here popping.
All right, I'm putting a trail on top of that wick. One trail, and the other one's still going to be break even. That's a beautiful wick and flip. We're looking good here.
Use code BDM. I challenge you all to use code BDM and don't pop no damn prop.
Oh my God, we're looking so good here. Hold on. Bang. There's the 30. There's the TP that we wanted here. Oh my God, and we're bleeding. There's the 110. I got a partial at the 110. I have to. This is what I was talking about. I wanted to see. Now, if we break through 110, we're good. If not, this is still bullish. You got to remember. This is still bullish territory, but this is what we wanted to see. At least this pullback. Wow. I'm going to trail at 27 and give it room to bleed, but I'm not going to be surprised if it does move up here. That was a beautiful fucking, oh my God. 75 points, 80 points in running. Hold on. 80 points in running. We might have another 100 pointer here.
You always
We
try
might
to
have another 100 pointer here. I only got one running left. But this is the
always
area where
trying
it
to
could
fucking
pop from.
outdo me.
Oh
twin,
my
honestly.
God, we're fucking going. Hold on, 90 points. We're moving here. 90, 100 points. There's 100. There's 100.
Guys always trying to outdo me. Always trying to outdo
There's
me.
100. Come on. We need, if we break through this, we're so good. This is NQ's final stop. It needs to break this, and then we have a lot of room to the south side. It's just got to break this last little fair value right here. I told you this is too aggressive. I don't like seeing these untapped. We talked about it when it was up here. We got the snipe. We just need to print through it. We got 25 seconds, guys. 25 seconds. Uploading new picture for y'all. There's 100 points for you. Live trades. Posted right when I got in. Come on, bitch. Just print through and we're going to see a fucking crazy melter all the way down to the 950. Give us 100 more points.
Llama, rip a jama, hit a banger for your mom.
Give me another. Oh, that's a beautiful print through, but this is steep. It could do a pullback. I don't know if we get a nice continuation candle here or not. I'm going to have to trail all the way to 110 now. I'm going to move. It's 40 points I'm giving back, though. Not a fan of that. 40 points to give back, but there's potential to go down for another 100. It's kind of worth holding that.
Damn, boy, I'm not going to lie. You sniped.
I do not want to see it go higher than 110. That was fucking crispy. That zero held too clean for us. 30-second was the move right there. We need to see some type of wick out and a 3-bar. If not, this is going to pop right back up. Still
Llama.
bullish posture. Talk to me.
Kick me that llama beat right now, twin.
Oh, I'm going to get pulled out here. I'm edged. I'm super edged. I got pulled out. There you go. Not bad. 100 pointer, guys. 100 pointer. We're going to catch at least one of those a day every single day. Just be patient. Just be patient. One of those gets caught every single day. Was that financial advice? No, that was a statement. We're going to catch 100 points at least once every fucking day. Every day. Not financial advice.
Give me the llama red pajama.
Don't tell me the wick out. It popped up to midline instead of the 110 and flipped. Oh, no. Don't tell me that.
Give me the beat.
Don't tell me that, please.
Give me the beat.
That, please.
Production. Who has the beat? Give me the llama
Does it continue
beat.
Here?
I got a remix.
Rama, Repa Rama.
Give me the beat. J Love just passed his first account.
All up to this. If this wicks and flips, we have a continuation. I really want to see the 950s, but we can't forget this is still bullish posture. Where the fuck is Aniki? Where's that Rama Repa Rama beat?
I'm waiting. I don't know.
Rama Repa Rama.
Alaskan Hog with a $50 dono. Thank you for the free account, my boy. We appreciate you. Kind of like you paid for it now. That goes directly to the staff.
I think anything under 110 is good, but
Aniki's not live.
I got pulled out.
Is he AFK on the job?
There he is. There he is.
Yeah, I just need the beat. Here we go. This is the remix. It's called Nino Lama, the futures trader. All right, we're gonna sing the remix. Nino Lama, futures trader. Aniki, restart it. I'm ready now. Restart it.
Hold on, we gotta find some shit.
This is Nino Lama, the futures trader. Here we go. Turn that up. Here we go. Hey. Been holding in my poop all morning.
Purchase your tracks today.
Nino Lama, red pajama, charts still glowing, late night drama, candles flicker, green and red, market dancing in his head. Mama says, now go to bed. Nino watches ES instead. Just one trade, he softly whispers, eyes locked in, I'm moving tickers. Nino Lama, risk manager, stops in place, he's no gambler. Levels marked and bias clear, patience strong, no room for fear. Mama calls from down the hall, close your trades, now that is all. Nino said setups forming, London session slowly warming.
Yo,
Breakout
that
hits,
110
he's
is
in.
holding clean. That 110 is holding crispy. I'm not gonna lie, I did jump back into it.
The breakout hits, he's in the zone, calm and cool, he's in his throne. Target hits, he skills out clean. Discipline, no chasing green. Nino Lama now at rest, follow plan and did his best. Laptop closed, the charts
Did
go
jump
dim.
back in.
Another
I'm gonna have
win
to go
logged
break
in
even
the
on this
hill.
one.
Mama smiles, now that's right. Trade like that to sleep at night. Nino Lama futures pro,
Let's
knows
see.
the trade.
I did jump back in. Let's see.
Oh,
Oh no, don't pull me out, bitch.
Nino
Whoa.
Lama, red pajama, screens go bright, no time for drama. Mama whispers, time for bed. Nino smirks, bears ain't dead. Liquidity stops in sight, stalking moves dead of night. Nino Lama, ice in veins, thrives on fear, feeds on pain. Mama calls enough come rest, mapping zones, knows what's next. False breakout, he takes it fate, then he hits the other side of fate. Nino Lama, ruthless killer, Lino Rama, no Musha grind. Oh, no, no Musha grind. No chasing candles, no revenge. He plays the edge with Liz on the edge.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, you're kind of spitting, twin. When the fuck did you when the fuck did you learn that?
Mama's
ChatGPT
quiet,
was
house
feeling
goes
that?
still. Antonio logging one more kill, not by luck, not by chance. Precision carved in
Dog,
market
it's gotta
chance.
break
Nino
this.
Lama,
If
savage
it breaks
soul.
this, it's
Nino
so
Lama
good
played a
here.
foe.
It's gotta break this. If not,
Here's a
it's cooked.
remix.
This is looking so good on ES.
I can't see shit in these
Question is,
glasses.
do I jump back in? Fuck it, right? Fuck it.
Oh, hey, Leah. Your son came on the show last night. He said, hey, guys, I'm Leah's son. And I said, your mom owes Llama a blowjob.
Did say that. I do recall him saying that. News at 10 minutes. ES looks so good for a short, bro.
April
like,
Fools. April Fools. I pop my shit.
Cog that beautiful
I
drop
know that's
102
right.
pints with 5 micros book partials at 65 point and 2 at 102 points. Done with $874 per
Yes,
account.
can't break back in
BTW love
here.
that song. Smiley
does,
face
it's gonna be
emoji.
fucking
Llama Llama.
aggressive.
The lyrics are lit. Fire emoji. Fire emoji. $10.
Break back in. This looked so good for continuation. I don't understand why it's popping up like that.
Tashar caught that beautiful drop, 102 points, 5 micros, booked 65, done with $874 account. By the way, I love that song. Llama Llama lyrics are so lit. This is a $10 dono. Thank you, my boy Tashar. Yo, I'm not
You're
gonna lie,
spin,
twin.
man.
It's April Fool's Day, but there ain't no fucking fools on this stage. Just straight killers, twin. 80 points up. Llama took that bitch 100 points down. Ain't no fucking straight April, no fools up in this bitch. You guys want to go clown with all the other jokesters? You want to go clown with all the other jokesters? Let them know the Big Daddy Morning Show is hitting fucking bangers. It's another day in the office. No time for fucking horsing around. I'm gonna shit myself.
You heard me?
Yeah.
Midline tab. There's
I'm
a
not going to
midline
be
tab.
able to trade my Tradeify accounts because I requested a payout. I requested a payout. And it says now on their new platform, it says avoid trading until your payout is approved. So I am going to listen to that warning because if you go red and you ask for a max payout, you will get denied. So I will heed their warning and I will not trade their trading accounts today. But let's just say I requested $2,900. Bro, I'm not going to lie.
Bullish FVG. Wicked and flip nasty off of it.
Did you see how much I'm up now on these FF?
What they looking like?
Bro, look at this. I have not had a red day yet. I have not had one red day yet on the FFFs. Look at this, brother. I fuck with these prime accounts heavy. Look how much I'm up on these accounts. Hold on, watch this.
Yes, midline, FEG midline. Fuck, risky business here.
It is. And I know I didn't buy 2 more yet. I'm going to, but I'm in such a
Yeah, you
rhythm.
gotta
I
buy
don't
2
want
more,
to.
twin.
Bro, I'm up
Jesus.
22, 29, and 27,000 in my accounts.
Jesus.
And this is on the fundeds. Guys, I'm up 78,000 fundeds. All I need to do is trade for 3 days, take max payout. Trade for 3 days, take max payout. I can go live right now just by hitting fucking buy and close. That's it, baby. This is how you fucking do it. You lock the fuck in, one and done, consistency over everything. And now I'm going to be going to my 3rd prop firm. Logan taught me that.
Logan taught me that. I know that's right. I know that's right.
I took the CSO Academy and Logan taught
Risky
me.
business jumping in up here, but that's a good wick out. It's just, is it going to continue or not? Like, we're still bullish territories.
How it's done. That's how it's done.
Really want to see it fall back
God,
down.
I'm really fucking clenching. I'm really clenching cheeks right now. Like it is hidden, son. I am I'm clenching cheeks right now.
Good candle. I'm not going to lie to you. Good candle. Give us a little bit more, please. A little bit more, please.
Oh,
that's a good candle.
Oh, Papi, I should not have had that. And the queso.
Oh, I'm partial like a puss.
Queso, empanada, y cordito. Oh, azúcar.
I'm partial like a puss, so I need to go break even here because I partial like a puss. I don't like the hesitation in this box. I don't. Really don't.
Partial like a puss.
Partial like a puss. Oh, hold up, though. Just give us a nice little move here. We're moving here. I told you this is risky business, but the midline ES top was clean. Give us a little bit more. This is a partial inside of this fair value. Low key. This is low key a partial. I don't want to take it, though. I want to be a grown man here. I want to be a grown man and just not partial, but I think I have to. Rama.
Hey, where's my students at? You guys like the option selling course? Have any of you started watching my option selling course? That's proprietary info. Y'all fucking with that proprietary shit? That's a different level.
No, I didn't take a partial. It's gonna come in.
Has anyone started watching my option selling course and my passive income course and started? Does that make you a better futures trader? Has anyone seen the correlation between my books and what I taught there and being like, wait a minute, this can make me a better futures traders too? And you guys see how that passive income and the strategies I taught you there, you can buy your prop accounts for free now and compound those gains and reinvest back into, you see that? That's called the wheel. That's called wheel estate. I invented that. You guys fuck with that? Option selling course up 10 bands for March. Showtime. Hey, Hey, we're going to meat market next week, baby. Why don't you join us? Why don't you join me and the boys at the market next week?
I like that. I'll hit you up. Into this one time. I kind of like it, but bro, fuck.
What's his name? Rob.
Didn't break even at 120.
Logan Senior. Joe.
Logan Senior.
Joe Schmo, fucking Logan Senior. I'm taking Big Daddy Joe to the meat market.
Not Logan Senior.
You guys don't know the Mastermind is not just one course now. It is 3 courses in one. I gave all Mastermind students my futures course, my option selling course, and my passive income wheel estate course is all in one Mastermind course now, and we are not raising the price.
Break even.
It is still $1,299.
Hold out break even.
And it's not on WAP, it's on maxoptionstrading.com. It's on maxoptionstrading.com.
I like that out of you. You take ETBs for the EBT. Damn, I'm on some EBT. I read ETBs. I read elite trainer boxes.
Yes. You got to remember, I didn't know futures. I know option selling. I was writing books on option selling and
Tell me I get
passive income strategies, and I use that
Oh,
to
don't tell me I
develop
get strat 6.
my future strategies. And so you see the correlation there. So I'm up a fucking bag. I can't believe, Anarchy, look at my chart real quick. It's sexual things. One, me and Lama and Napoleon Dynamite. I mean, it's very sexual, me and Lama and Napoleon
I
Dynamite.
want to see that. Where's that at? Let me see that.
Look at the YouTube. And then number 2, look how much I'm up on my fundeds, baby. Look how much I'm up on the fundeds, chat. $78,000. I'm an actual trader. I'm a real trader. Wow.
Let me see this. I want to see Napoleon Dynamite.
And I requested my 4th payout in the last 10 days.
Oh,
wow.
that's me and you as Napoleon Dynamite. I like that. I like that.
Oh, Napoleon Dynamite. Mods, we have a lot of new beginners. Welcome, YouTube beginners. We have a lot of newbies on the YouTube. What's up, YouTube chat? First, do me a favor and like the stream, guys. Please, we only have 80 likes. It takes 5 seconds to like a stream, and it helps us out a tremendous amount. And 2, a funded account is the second stage of an evaluation in a simulated process hosted by a prop firm.
Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording.
Lama Reverend Thomas shits his pants like his mama.
Still holding midline, bro. It's like I want to see a dump. It's just stalling. I really want to see. Oh, don't we have news at 10? Oh fuck.
What kind of news we got, blood?
I don't know, but I don't want to be in this news. PMI.
Fib trader.
Oh,
hey, if you're on YouTube and you're a fib trader, then look no further, because the number 1 fib trader in the game is sitting right next to me.
Oh, yeah.
The number 1 fib trader in the game is sitting right next to me. His name is Whaleface.
Whaleface is questionable.
Yo, Anarchy, why you got us listed as Logan's number 1 and Logan's fucking student?
What the?
Checks out.
What
Checks
the?
out. Oh God, I'll fire Logan.
Once New York ORB is formed, for how long is it good for? Is it good for Asian in London, or every session new ORB?
Shit's ripping up now.
You know what? I'm about to drop it. You guys want to know something about? You want to know something about Clarence? Huh?
Don't talk to them about Clarence.
You guys want to know something about Clarence?
A full doji candle. Yeah. Tell them about Clarence. When you won't.
Clarence's parents got a real good marriage. No, when's the next holiday? I'm saving it. He's getting me tight right now. Good Friday. Oh wait, Passover.
All right, let's
Today
see.
is Passover.
Data candle. What happens here?
Get him up here. Get him up here. Today is the day. Today's the fucking day.
Today is the day.
Today's the day.
All right, hold on. There goes the data
God,
high.
I was blowing up his shit today. I said the next holiday it's going down. Get ready.
Let's see. Does this just fucking explode? There's low-key a data high
What's up,
right
big
there.
guy?
Plausible deniability.
I want to click the button so bad.
What did they say the Jews did? Chag Samech. Happy holidays, Chag Samech.
Plausible deniability.
Did I see those? Yeah, I see those.
Right. Hold on, Logan. Let me ask you something. Hold on. We got a $5 dono. Once New York Orb is formed, how long is it good for?
All day.
Yeah. It's good all day New York session, and then London session starts a new one, and then so on. You know what, Logan? I'm sick and tired of these people saying that you fucking are teaching them all my shit. I'm sick and tired of you being a grifter. You're a fucking grifter. All right. I don't care that you admit you blew your accounts. We all blow our fucking accounts. But you know what? Did you guys know that Logan's fucking Jewish? Did you know that Logan's fucking grandma was a Jew?
Look. Wait.
No. Go ahead. Go ahead and tell us that your grandmother had the tattoo.
Go ahead
and
and tell
us.
him how your mom still protects and talks about the Jewish. You fucking Nazi fraud.
Listen.
Fraudulent ass Nazi.
My grandmother was adopted during World War II, and she just
Treason.
happened to be in a Jewish adoption center. That doesn't necessarily mean
She was 100% Jewish.
Do you think back
100%.
in the 30s they were letting non-Jews in Jewish adoption centers?
Like, think about that. Just do the math.
Let's think about that. You think they're taking Krauts? I don't think so. Buster.
I don't think so, but
Breaking news. Logan is also a yit.
Breaking news, Logan is a U.
I said it was going to happen on the next major holiday, and it just sucks that Passover landed on the 4/1, April Fool's. It's not April Fool's. It's
We're not even kidding, guys. We're not
It's
like
Jewish.
It's not even a joke.
It's Jewish.
Down for
Hey,
months.
yes, April Fools, guys. It's April Fools. Exactly. April Fools. Correct.
Is he
Brother,
creating
it's
an OnlyFans?
okay.
All right, I
Get
don't
your
know what's
yarmulke and show them
To be
that
honest,
you are, a religious man.
I'm tired of you guys bringing this up, so I'm going to settle the air. I don't know if Izzy created an OnlyFans or not, but it's not. I will not allow it. So if she really did create an OnlyFans, I'm going to have to subscribe, look it through all the content for the next few days, and then I will probably not allow it. So we'll see. But if she really did, it is not acceptable. I will not sit by and let her create an OnlyFans. But I want to go through the material first and just make sure that it's not really crossing any crazy boundaries.
Right.
Because if it's, and I also want to make sure it's not too soft. Wow, you look just like my brother Ed in that. Wow, he is so Jewish. Logan is so Jewish. He looks just like my brother Ed.
Not Ed.
Bro, let me find a picture of my brother Ed. I'm telling you, twins. Wow, Mazel Tov.
Mazel Tov, twin. Mazel Tov, twin.
Yeah, die, Anu. Die, Anu. Die, Anu. Die, Anu. Hey. Die, Anu. Die, Anu. Die, Anu.
Oh, wait. Izzy did just post a story about an OnlyFans.
She did post.
With an actual link? It's unacceptable. It is not acceptable. Damn, if I subscribe, she's gonna get my burner info.
Can't do that. I mean, no, she won't know it's you.
She won't know it's me.
Right.
Why would I be heartbroken? I don't give a fuck if Izzy has an OnlyFans or not.
Brother, I just went 2 points away from passing these FFFs, and they're just completely wicked out. Just fall down to 16, and I passed these joints, and I'm happy.
Good for you, boy. Good for you, my boy.
There's no possible way. 2 points away from passing, right? Like, surely it goes down there.
Surely.
Surely.
My name's
like
not Shirley.
I passed all the way at 18, and we just hit 20, and we're back all the way up. Nice. Literally 1 point away. Feels good. Feels fucking good. Look at this. Look how crazy this is. Look at this. This is what you call an edge right here. This is what you call next level edge. Wow. All the way back up. Wow.
Why can't I remember my fucking password?
Wow. 2 points away. Wow. All the way back up. Wow. Do I DCA and see if we go back down there? Imagine the next candle's just an explosion, and then I pop all the accounts. 1.4 points away from passing. Strong decisions I gotta make here.
This shit ain't working for me.
We were just 2 points away.
Shit ain't working for me.
Wow. We're 2 points away. Now it's just ripping. DCA? Can't DCA here. I'll get smoked.
How much for some beard trimmings?
All right, whatever. I can't figure it out. $2 dono. Lama, do you teach fibs in your course? Guys, Lama has the best fib course in the game.
Teach all my
how
fibs.
much for your beard trimmings? What?
That was actually crazy that shit just did that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at this. Look how close this was. 2 points. I'm passing. That's depressing. Yeah, I teach all 3 fibs, all 3 of my fibs inside of my course. Do I hold this? I don't think I hold this, but I was literally up 5 ticks away.
5 ticks away. What else is new? Logan San.
5 ticks away.
I got to leave here in 45 minutes to do a couples photo shoot with Javi and I. We're just gonna, where you like hold each other from behind, and
I like
do,
that.
Love
do
that.
some of those photos. Javi and I told him I haven't seen him in a long time, and so he asked if we could do a couples photo shoot. So Javi and I are going to be doing that in about an hour or two. I'm going to drive down south about an hour.
Wow.
Yeah, it's going to be at JCPenney's, correct? I think it's either JCPenney's or Macy's.
I think it was at Macy's.
Yeah.
That's what we should have been doing.
I wanted to be the big spoon. Javi's a big dude, though, so
Yeah, he's like a soup spoon.
Where's that picture of Jew Logan? Look at this.
Man, that's depressing.
Tell me he doesn't look just like my brother Ed. Tell me they're not clones.
Yo, why does he look like him?
He looks just
Oh,
like
hold
Ed.
on. We're making our way
You're the
back
little
down.
spoon.
I should have DCA'd.
Look at that. Bro, they're fucking clones. You can't tell me
Gotta
this
break
guy's
through
not
this
Jewish.
140 and then it's free range.
You can't tell me this guy's not Jewish.
Gotta break through 140 here. Come on.
I'll get a tattoo on my fucking forehead.
Of what?
Of
Some
what?
numbers?
Of a plus sign with some extra lines.
$5 dono from no one. If you can't break floor plates, you're the little spoon. I can bench press 4
Windmill
plates.
of friendship. That's pretty funny. Windmill of friendship. I like that.
The windmill of friendship is nuts.
Come on, pussy. Make your way back down. Stop trolling me. You know, 6 away from passing.
I can bench 4 plates.
1 point and a quarter. It's gotta break
After I did
140.
30 push-ups the other day, I realized I can probably rep 315 still because I did a decline
You
push.
30 push-ups?
30 push-ups. The chat called me out because I was fucking over trading like an idiot. 20 trades I took. I was just fucking going nuts. And then my students were like, push-ups, dog. Push-ups. So I busted out a 30 piece and I've been sore as fuck, and my triceps are sore as hell. But if I can do, because right now I'm weighing like 345, 350. And if I'm weighing 345, 350 and I can do a decline 30 piece,
Oh my
I can go hit the
god.
bench press right now.
Held the 140. Brother, you're good. You're strong.
The fact that you can do 30 plus points, 30 plus touchdown push-ups.
Decline
Your
too.
weight is pretty impressive. not gonna
Decline. Put all the weight on the front. You gotta remember,
All the weight on the front.
I had the push-up record in my platoon. I did 108 push-ups in 2 minutes. And I did them with my head down And I don't do a close grip. I go
Yeah, that
wide.
tricep BS that people do where they just
Yeah,
pump,
they do
that's
their
not-
little fucking tricep poontang
Yeah.
pop. I would never agreed with that. I felt like your hands needed to be shoulder width always.
45 degrees out, shoulder. Yeah.
I also, my chest was always like my weakest point. So I always wanted to focus more on the uppers, the shoulders, and the tries. So I would come up higher and bang.
I definitely cannot do 105 in 2 minutes.
My best
I was
ever
able to do
was 108.
for me it was 36 pull-ups. For my PFT was 36 pull-ups.
36?
Full lockout. I was also 180 pounds then, though. I was like a
Dude,
little
I don't give a
smaller.
fuck if you're 150. 36 pull-ups is crazy.
I've never
36
done a
pull-ups,
pull-up a day in my life.
128 crunches in 2 minutes, and then a 17-16 3-minute mile.
That's
3 mile.
disgusting stats. My fastest 2 mile ever was 12:30. I did a 2 mile in 12:30.
That's pretty good.
My fastest 1 mile time ever was 6 flat. It was actually like 5:59. And then I did a 12:30 2 mile. My most push-ups was 108. My most sit-ups was 91.
What about you, Lama?
My fastest mile was about 14:26. My fastest 1 mile is like 14:26.
To be honest,
And yeah,
that's not bad because you're not like you never were in shape your life.
What's
right.
your fastest mile?
Like 14:26.
I respect the honesty.
Average. Probably average.
I respect the honesty. In my adult life, I got down to a 10-minute mile. And I was fucking hurt. And I was like, yeah, I'm just done running forever. That shit hurts really bad.
Yeah, I've tried running recently. Not it. Not for me. I'm just gonna.
It's not the
be
fit.
good
It's
with
not
the
the
gun.
vibe. It's not the vibe.
Yeah.
I need you both up here Monday.
Actually, Monday is tricky for me. I think we have the 2-month meeting on Monday.
Yeah, I don't care.
Let me see when it is.
Wait for your baby?
Oh no, that might be tomorrow. No, actually,
Yeah.
not yet. Monday. Not yet. It's
For your
Monday.
baby? Yeah, I don't care.
It's the day after Easter. No, I'm kidding. I got nothing. I'll be
Yeah,
there.
both of you Monday. Report to my office. I need you both up here.
Squat now. I don't know what my squat is now. I was able to do 405 for a few. The best I ever did was 495.
My
I don't
squat-
really like going too heavy.
My squat was my weakest always because I couldn't handle the pressure on my neck and my back. Couldn't do it. Could never find comfort in squatting. Never. I could leg press 14 or 1500, but I cannot squat. It hurt my neck so bad. Whose course is better, Max or Llama? You're comparing to apples. Two completely different courses. If you're going to choose one to buy Llamas first. Do Jewish people believe in the Easter bunny? No, but I always used to go hunt for the gold egg.
Checks out.
Right? Like we don't want to go hunt all the other cheap eggs. We would go straight for the gold. So I did Easter hunt.
God damn it.
I like that. We do got to log off early today. I actually got about 15 minutes. I believe Llama, you're finishing the show because everyone else has to leave.
All right, cool. Am I still in the short? Got pulled.
I appreciate you guys for everything. Great
pulled on
trading
that camera.
today. Great trading today. I didn't expect the trading to go so good right off the jump on that long, and I'm gonna hit 100 points short. Like this is a free day for everybody. Is Coach's sexy ass here?
Boy, coach is just so fun, bro. Gets me tight how fun that jit is.
Oh God, if he don't twerk on stream today, I gotta let him go.
You're gonna have to let him go.
Yo, they made him a
Honestly.
thick sea lion. That's gotta be right. Yo,
Pretty
They
sure I
made-
saw the
Yo.
club we were at in New York.
Is that us as hot girls?
That's
no, that's us as this disgusting
trannies I saw
tranny.
in the New York club that I thought was
I don't like that at all.
tell you one thing, if this shit shorts back down, I'm gonna fucking throw
All
up
right, I'm gonna YOLO some accounts real quick then. Fuck it. Let me just YOLO this account real quick. I'm gonna load up 2 accounts. I'm gonna group trade them. Here we go. Full port, obviously full port. We're gonna do like what? Fucking 10 minis each. Okay.
I like it
Llama.
to continue shorting, twin. I really do, but it's
What do you
like,
want me to go? You want me to go short right now on the YOLO?
if you can catch it around like 190, that'd be fucking expert. Like just like a topside orb short.
Llama. Tell me
What?
short or long right now.
Short it.
All right, I am in 10 minis.
I think it's 10 minis, a whole 30 points. To where I really want you to catch an entry is like, how about you wait for the next 1 minute candle, let it go up there, and then click the button and see what happens.
All right. We'll
So
see what
wait for the
happens.
next candle. It's probably gonna pop up
Might
there.
test the high of the still.
Yeah, it's gonna test orb high,
And then
and then
reject.
just see what happens. Like, what's the worst thing that happens? You lose.
Right. Like I don't even care. Like I want to. I mean, SPX could reject the midline here. Could get really bearish. I mean, I'm in 10 minis. I'm currently down 1,300.
180 is not bad. Like the 180 level is not bad.
If it rejects this midline on SPX, this is a banger. Well, I'm up 4 bands.
Yeah, it's moving. It's moving
What's
right
the
now.
consistency rules on Tradeify selects? 40%, right?
This shit popped up just to take me out to fall right back down.
Right. All right. How many minis can I go more than?
I think you could do 15, right?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm in 13 right now.
Hold
13
on,
short. Oh, yeah. If it pops to a high, these accounts are blown.
I
Oof.
wanted to catch like the 90 entry. Hold on, I'm gonna wait for. I mean, here at like 84, 85 is not that bad.
Oh, we got about 1,000 left in drawdown, chat. We got about 1,000 left in drawdown. Whoa, whoa.
On, I literally just clicked the button right there at the 80, but when he was activation,
At 1,000 in drawdown. Now I'm up 1,000. This thing is getting volatile. If this dumps, I'm gonna hit max allocation quick. Wow, I'm up 2,000. Okay, I'm up. If this next candle dumps, yeah, that's max allocation.
it's just stuck in a box, bro. Like ES,
200, I'm up
a
400.
full
Yeah.
box, and Q's kind of trending.
That was it. Here we go. I mean, I'm short. I'm currently rocking max minis on the YOLO. I just need to get to like 4,500 bucks. And whoa. Here we go. Getting close to break even. Nope. Here we go. I'm up 2,000. I'm up 2,000. Bro, it literally needs to just drop down to like 50. If it drops down to 50, I'm good.
I thought that was 52.
If it breaks to the high, I pop. If it breaks below the previous low candle, I max out. It's a very tight 30-point range here. This is crazy degeneracy. Now I'm currently down. Oh, nope, just like that, I'm up. Well, I'm liking this volume. SPX reject midline is huge.
I think it's got to just break. It's whatever it breaks to is going to be the false move, and then I just don't want it to break up and then fall.
Right.
See?
Uh-oh. SPX looks good. It's breaking to the north. Uh-oh. 1K left in drawdown. 900. 300.
They had a
Oh,
DCA in the 90s.
it tested. It edged me. At
There's the
92, I
90. I'm
popped.
hitting a DCA. Fuck it.
There is 2 blown accounts. The YOLO not work.
I hit a DCA. Let's see if we chop all the way back down.
Rest in peace to me.
If we're gonna chop me back down, right? Or do I DCA right where the breakout to the top happens? Rama. Oh no, I DCA'd into the fucking explosion.
You don't want to do that.
All right, guys. You guys remember I was 5 ticks away from passing? The accounts are gone. I was 1 point away from passing the accounts. They're blown. Ay. 1 point and a quarter.
I love that for you. God, I'm gonna poop myself.
I swear to you, whenever I see same day pass, I don't know why I try to pass it same day.
$50 dono from
one point
Muso.
away.
Muso.
Reload. Oh my god, the reload process is fucking annoying. But
All
I
right,
do
so
like this was that false move I was talking about. I wanted to wait for the up move and kind of
love you
take it back
guys.
in.
Big shout out to the Llama. Great day, baby. You killed that short. Today was nice. I'm requesting a payout. Life
I
is
like
good,
that.
guys. Remember, NFA, we're not doing financial advice here. We're entertainers only. We're not even traders. This is the Max Options Trading Network hosting the Big Daddy Morning Show, the greatest morning show in the world. Logan's Jewish. And then remember, if you want to tap into Pay to Play University, the pre-market, the Maxtermind, 3 courses in 1, Futures 1, gets all of it now too. You can tap into the indicators, coaching, the free entertainment. Shout out YouTube, like the stream, follow the socials. We love you guys. Another banger day. Logan's Jewish, and then we're gonna go. Great day. I love you guys. Tip the staff. Tip the staff. Tip better than Logan because he's Jewish. And then let's don't forget to use code BDM. Don't forget to use code BDM, baby. If you're gonna buy a prop, not buy a prop, wouldn't support the #1 team in the game with code BDM. And don't forget on TPT, you can smash that P2P with my boy Lama. Logan's Jewish. We love you
All right,
guys.
hit a reload.
We'll see you guys. Power Hours is going to be with Izzy. Code BDM works on my OnlyFans. Izzy, we're going to talk about that in a little bit. So
We hit the reload. We jumped back in short. That was the false move we were looking for.
I love you guys. BDM has to go. Have a great day. And remember, above and beyond all things, April Fool's Day is kind of stupid, but
Come on,
Logan's
bitch.
Jewish. I love you guys. We'll see you next time. I'll see you tomorrow. Lama, it's all you.
Later,
Baby.
big Jew and little Jew. Shalom, please. All right. We hit a reload. Jumped right back into the shore, got filled in at 89. Fill. We saw 20 points, 28 points of profit, and now we're waking back up. That was the false up move. I do want to see it continue falling down. It's that same area held on ES. I'd love to see a continuation, but we're stuck in a chop. Like we're just getting chopped. So the best thing to do in the chop is just short around the highs and see if it goes. But right now, for NQ to really fall aggressive, because I want to see it come down here, we have to break through these lows at 50. So we hit another full port. 10 minis in, seeing what happens. This is the trade. We're full porting the brand new FFF code BDM. Their same day to pass, 3-day payouts. See what happens. We're about to get liquidated at 11, just like that. Brand new reload is about to disappear. Lama, this from the Truth Social post from the president. What are you talking about? There's an orb tap or breaking retest. Let's see if we get a continuation. We passed accounts at 140. Let's see. Right there with you getting smacked. Bro, I was 1 point away. 1 point away. And then this little pop up blew the accounts because I DCA'd. Right when I DCA'd, fucking explosion popped me. So fuck it. We reload. What platform is that? Wealth Charts. I kind of fuck with Wealth Charts. Wealth Charts is super fire. I'm not gonna lie to you. And they're adding it to a bunch of different. NQ's got to break this 150. ES is going back to the bottom of the range, which is solid. Or, fib level just reacting again. Same level that we shorted from earlier. Very clean with the divergence of NQ popping out of orb and breaking in. That breakout break in. ES staying inside. Us under midline. We should see continuation, but we're just stuck barcoding. I do not want to see a break over this 85 anymore. I really don't. No, Wealth Charts is on FFF, Tradeify, and Apex, and they're working on getting it onto Lucid as well. What's DCA stand for? Dollar cost average. So it's scaling into a trade when you're in. So if my entry is here, like let's say I'm entered in at 70 and then I scale in at 90, it'll put me in the middle like at 80 and it moves your entry It like averages your cost up. That's what DCA means. So it's scaling in while you're in drawdown, and then scaling in is jumping into the trade while you're in profit. Did Llama just leak? I think that's out already. I think it's out that they're working with yeah, we just had CEO up, and he said that they were working on it. And so are other firms that we're partnered with. I'm fucking DJing how the fuck I popped 2 accounts today. Brother, I just popped all 5 after catching 100 points. Caught 100 points, and I was literally like a band away. And then I got 1 point away. DCA, popped them. It happens, brother. It happens. That's what happens when you chase the money. You chase the money and you get cookedy. Cook so bad. What do you think about the TJR scandal? I don't know what the scandal is. I don't know anything about that. What we need is take profit trader on wealth charts. That would be fire. It would be amazing if we can add all of these firms onto wealth charts, because wealth charts now has the copier where you can trade all the firms together. So if we could get TBT on there, that would be nuts. That would actually be nuts. He just wants to know your opinion. I don't know what the scandal is that you're talking about. I don't know the scandal. I don't know what's happening. I can give an opinion if I knew. Until you pop 40 accounts at once. I mean, I've done that. I've done that before with the third party platforms. That shit hurts. But when you know, eventually you got to pop accounts. But when you're pulling out of 40 accounts, bro, I think that was the first time I ever had like a 6-figure month. It was just 40 accounts rolling, trading micros. And the one day I got off of and I did it live. It was like in the start of this MOT shit. I went on tilt one day. It was like the first and like only time I went on tilt here with 40 different fundeds. It was super depressing. Super depressing. Been trying to short all day and losing. As I give in and go long, it'll drop. Yeah, because it's chopping. Like you're stuck in the chop. Like I wanted to see the dump. This to me was good dump. I think this is very uncalled for, this up move.
Bro just started ripping packs.
But whatever. You know what I'm saying? Why didn't you wait for an actual confirmation of orb before taking the short too close to the orb high pop with the extra bullish sentiment? Why didn't I wait for confirmation? Because this was good for me. I mean, ES tapping one of my fib levels or breaking out and breaking in, to me this is good confirmation. It's not an A+ setup, but it's definitely worth taking on some evals. I take specific trades on evals and I take specific trades on fundeds. Like they're 2 different things for me. So when I'm on evals, I don't mind having fun and, you know, taking trades. But if you see here, like ES did a full move right back down to the bottom of the range. NQ is chopping, but it's up, it's trending upwards. It's like in a channel. I'm pretty sure you call this shit a channel. When you're like, you see it going like this, like there's your top of the channel, the bottom of the channel, and this is your top of the channel. It's chopping, but upwards in a trend. I wanted to see NQ do what ES just did, which is take it to the bottom. But obviously, you know, hindsight's 2020 is now you see it just stopped and popped and stopped and popped. And it's kind of trending upwards, but very ugly. And the accounts popped just like that. I saw 4 bands of profit, but I tried to do a 1-day pass. 1-day pass getting fucking smoked. So it's like hard to tell what's going on. You know, like now ES is breaking out of the range as well. Kind of trolling. Today's kind of a troll day. But evals, who cares about blowing evals? I blow evals for fun. I think last year I spent like 60 to 70K on evals, which like isn't that bad. When I got my tax forms from these companies, I ended up pulling like 700 in total. So it's like a 1 to 10 RR. If it was 60-ish K, it's like 1 to 12. So it's like, you know, like most big people that do payouts on prop accounts, they spend a lot of fucking money. Like if you think that you're cooked, spend like a couple bands on props, you're not even close. You get what I'm saying? Like most people that pull out over 6 figures, $250,000, $500,000, $1 million, but they spend a lot more. Like I know people that spend 150, 170 on props in a year, 200 in a year, but they're pulling out M's. Lucid PAs are cooking. I like that out of you. This shit, look, it popped up and it's just chopping back down. The same zero is holding. The same zero here is holding. And if we're under the zero, I'll give you all some free chicken while we're here since it's just me running the show. This is how I look at the fib. Top, the 1, 786, 236, 0, 236, 786, 1. If we're under this zero, I want to see it come down to the following levels: 236, 786. So NQ was sitting under it all day. We finally broke over it. Now we have the, but ES is holding strong at the 0. And there goes the pop the account right here at 11. It popped me. And now it's back down, and I would have been up another 4 bands here. So it's just kind of having like that play of like what's actually going on. For me, this is holding charge. And look at this down move. Account would have been passed right here at 50. There's account pass. Shit happens, bro. Like, am I gonna let this shit tilt me? Not really. But that's how I look at the fib. To me, the fib is like, we're still, to me, it's still kind of bearish. Like, we haven't really broken out, really established new highs. Like, this is ES still holding inside orb. High is still here established. NQ is taking liquidity. It's like kind of, to me, this is manipulation. So it's manipulating, taking people out, squeezing, while ES is still just in structure for the fall back down of the chop. So I'm going to test it every fucking time. I shorted it here, saw profit, didn't close. Shorted it here, saw profit, didn't close. And then shorted it here, saw profit, didn't close. Like, you get what I'm saying? It's broke channel, so down move. That's what I would think. That's you know, like, I'm not giving financial advice, but definitely like it breaking. See it continue to my targets. I have targets. I just got squeezed out. Like, this is what really kind of set me off today. My passing of account was right here at 19. We hit 20. It was like a point away, like a point and a half away. And then from here, just I DCA'd, took me out, jumped in, took me out. New trade I took was here, popped up, blew the account, falling back down. But now that we actually broke out of the channel, I want to see a continuation downwards and then see if ES now starts to take the bottom of this chop. You feel what I'm saying? Change your fib 2. Let's put on fib 2. Let's see what it's talking about. Put on fib 2. The students are talking about put on fib 2. Let's see. It doesn't look too good for me. I mean, the balance is clean here. This is like not bad. Reverse it, see what happens. Does it give us anything if we reverse it? Nah, it's no good. I don't care about fib 2. I'm not a fan of fib 2 if fib 1 is playing out clean. Like, we're still in range of fib 1, so I don't care about going to fib 2. Like, look how perfect fib 1 is playing on ES. I don't need to go to fib 2 because fib 1 is in play. If we buy a P2P course, do we get to trade with you in the pre-market? No. So that was a thing. We just now are going to transition into me stepping back and coach stepping in to do that, and it's going to be a subscription based model only for the students. It's going to be basically be a coaching call with coach for basically $5 a call. Instead of $500 an hour, you're going to pay $100 for the month, and you're paying basically $5 for an hour of his time for the whole month, each call. Can Maximize students pay for the subscription? No, sir. Only P2P students, because we're giving out, we're basically running through the course every single day. Like in the pre-market, we were doing the past year is going through the course every day for an hour a day. It's a lot of time. It's a lot of sauce given out. Can't just go through it with random people. It slows down the learning curve by a lot when people that don't know what they're looking at start getting in and start asking beginner questions. It ends up slowing down the whole learning curve for everybody. Pre-market is 25 minutes. No, so coach was always getting on from 8 a.m. Coach was putting in an time every day for the past couple months, just teaching for free. I was on for 25 minutes. So it's 12.50 for the course and 100 for the pre-market sub. Yeah. Why don't Coach get on at 9 a.m.? I don't know, bro. Maybe he does start getting on at 9 a.m. We haven't done it yet. I have no idea. He was getting on at 8 because I would get on at 9. So he was just putting in extra time for y'all. If you don't like it, then he just won't do it. Not that big of a deal. At the end of the day, look, there was two decisions. Either we fully close pre-market or Coach steps in. So it's one or the other. Because I don't have time to do it no more. Is the fib in the indicator? Is fib in the indicator for P2P? Yes. The fib automatically gets turned on. So if you see it here, there's no fib on my chart. When you turn it off, there's just the levels of interest that I look for. This automatically draws the fib for you and gives you more levels. This is just having areas of interest. It just gives you areas of interest so you don't have the guessing game and the trolling of what I was doing. This is where we take the initial snipe on the day because we hit area of interest, see entries, and take trades and catch 100 points almost every single day. Or do you join Coach at 8 a.m.? I mean, it's not a thing anymore, but for the past like couple months, it was right there in the study group. He would do a study group with everybody. Hey guys, can look from level to level. We were stuck in the range, and you just buy the bottom, or sell the top. Let the sub thing start next 2 months. I can't. I don't have time to do it anymore. I don't have the time to do it anymore. So it's either I close it or Coach takes over. It's one or the other. Have I ever made a McGriddle taco? That's impressive. I would actually eat that. So I got F1 and P2P for lifetime pre-market, and now we'll have to. If you want to be in the pre-market, yeah. If you want to be in the pre-market, for sure. For sure. It was either I close it down because I don't have time. A fucking newborn baby I'm trying to spend time with because obviously I'm getting grilled for working too much. Or you pay Coach for his time. Instead of a $500 for 1 hour call, which is the cheapest, by the way, the cheapest coaching call in the whole program is Coach at $500 an hour. And now it's going to be $100 for the month with 20 1 hour calls. What are we talking about here? Like if you can't afford to pay $500 for 1 hour, now it's affordable to $100 a month. It's like, I don't know. I feel like I try to make it as good as possible. As good as possible. Do Features 1 students get access? Yes, they do. Features 1 students get access because they know what I'd be looking for. They know the sauce. Woman will never stop complaining no matter what. Keep that in mind. I get that. But I definitely want to hang out with my baby. At least for 30 minutes before my day starts. I be in this room sometimes 8 to fucking 12 hours. I didn't get a night nanny. No, not yet. She's still too young. She's still way too young. I need to be around, twin. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not around. That's the problem I'm having. The problem I'm having is that I'm like not around right now. You know what I'm saying? Where do people buy the pre-market? We haven't made that yet. We're gonna do it through the back end. That's why we didn't start it right now. We didn't start it this week because I haven't had time to run, all the shit through the back end where we can have it open. Be most likely be on WAP or some shit. WAP or the website. Can anyone subscribe to my friend is Mastermind student wants to join pre-market? Mastermind cannot join. Sorry to tell you. Mastermind cannot join the pre-market. We'll see how everything goes. We'll look at everything, see how everything goes, and then maybe eventually open it up to more students if people are interested. But it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Like teaching you the course at $100 a month, you're gonna learn it within the first month. It just doesn't make sense. Do I watch anime? I used to watch Naruto, but I stopped like at fucking Shippuden, like episode like fucking 200 or some shit, like 190. First year is the best with your first one. Learn as much as you can. Shit do go by way too fast. But she's about to be 2 months old. Look, I'll tell you guys this. My baby's about to be 2 months old. I haven't changed one diaper, and I've probably gave her a bottle maybe 6 times in the past 2 months. And my girl hasn't said a fucking word. Guys, look, all right, look. I'm a vent with the chat. I'm a vent with y'all. I'm a vet. My girl hasn't said a fucking word, but I can just feel like it's like I should be doing more. You feel what I'm saying? It's like I have that feeling. She hasn't said nothing, but it's like I feel like I'm getting lost in work, which is a problem. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like I'm trying to make a move. You feel me? I'm trying to make a move, take a step back, call that the Latina radiation. Right. I'm trying to take a step back and fucking do something and not get lost in work, because I'm fucking here in this room sometimes 12, 14 hours a day. Like, it's wicked. Like we do the morning show. I do coaching calls. Like, I have mentee students that I'm on calls with all day, trying to start the whatnot, trying to do this, trying to do that, shipping products, like business on the outside, trying to live a real life, trying to live hobby, like have hobbies, like crazy, twin. This crazy, twin. Shit is fucking crazy, twin. The baby shit's no joke. I be up though. I be up like at night, you know, like I'm up for the bottle. I just ain't giving it. Is the mentorship still open? It's always open. I just don't push it because it's expensive, and I don't feel like looking like a guy that's trying to sell something. Well, of course, the mentorship's always open. I do calls every day. I have a bunch of mentees that I get on calls with every single day. How's a reverse fib work in the indicator? We have plenty of videos of the indicator, 5-6 videos explaining when to reverse the fib and all that bullshit. There's in each video I explain that at least once. Book her a day at the spa and have the baby for the time she might like that. I'm gonna figure it out, twin. I'm gonna figure it out. Do you make the bottle or warm it up? We have the baby breezer where I click the button and it comes out warm. I make the bottle. Sometimes I gave her a bottle last night, but shit's tough. Shit's hella tough. I go to sleep like at 3, wake up at fucking 8, try to get my morning ready, get on pre-market. Like, shit's hella work, twin. Hella fucking work. She's not breastfeeding. She was for a little bit, but she wasn't lactating as much. I don't know if that's the word. You done said it so much, even I know how to reverse the fib. Right, it's in every video. What does our mentorship often different from P2P course? Is it coaching as well? It's direct one-on-one calls with me. The only difference between the mentorship and the course is that it's direct one-on-one calls with me, and then it's me tracking your trades daily and shit like that. Well, as long as you keep up with me, since there's so many people, like, I don't chase people down. I'll try, like, if I'm here for a week, I'll chase you down, but I just track people's trades and shit like that, and we get on shit that you're doing, all that type of shit. I still breastfeed my 2-year-old, almost 3. That's crazy work. It's just for a month. No, it's really like it's supposed to be for a month, but I just kind of do calls however month, I don't really put it at like a month. At the start, it was like, since I had so many new people at once, I had to like what's it called, like say it was a month. But then once I stopped pushing it and like it just started happening, there's less people where it's like, bro, if you need calls for a month and a half, 2 months, 3 months, like I really don't care. If I'm free, I'll do it. My wife made lactation brownies. They worked. Wow. Lactation. What does breast milk taste like? Do you guys know? Sweet. Should I try it? Condensed milk. Y'all lying, bro. That shit is not good. Y'all lying. Not taste like cantaloupe. I did read that. Tastes good. Vanilla oat milk. Taste it. It's good. It's sweet. Nah, brother, it is not. There's no way it's good like that. Shit tastes fire, bro. If I go taste that shit and it tastes bad, I promise you, I'm banning every single head. Flax Trades, Dangerous Snipes, Man, Torres, Mary, Can't Kamana. It's my. So you're all fucking banned if that shit tastes bad. I promise you. I promise you, if that shit does not taste good, you guys are fucking banned. There's the truth. Tastes bad. Don't try it. There it is. Mine tastes like Fruity Pebbles. Okay. I don't know, twin. I put it in my husband's coffee before. Did he throw up? The thing is, I mean, regardless, I can't try it. She's not producing anymore. Try it on stream? Fuck no, bro. When I saw it and I saw it was yellow, I was like, what the fuck is going on? Suck on them titties. Okay. I don't know, twin. I don't know. That's some tricky shit. That's the liquid gold. I know. And I know about that. You know. Matter of fact, we do I think we got some in the freezer. I seen a little brick down there. I was like, should I try it like a popsicle? Take it out and give it like one little lick. See what it's hitting for. That shit might be ass. I don't know. I don't think I'm trying to fuck with that. Don't drink it from the freezer. Try it from the source. Oh my god. Nah, twin. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna tell her. I'm gonna slap the machine on her real quick. See if anything comes out, and then I'll see if I latch. Feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna slap the note. If anything comes out, I'm gonna get up on there real quick. That shit tastes ass. I'm gonna be hot. I'm gonna be so hot. I promise you guys will piss me off. See if I latch correctly and we'll be good. It's always the motherfuckers that eat McDonald's scared to try breast milk. Brother, I haven't ate McDonald's in like, bro, matter of fact, bro, my girl ordered McGriddle, bro. I took 2 bites, threw it away. I know y'all see the progression. But before that, bro, I went like 3-4 months. I swear to God, it was on stream. It was on stream. I took 2 bites and threw it away. Right in front of y'all. What are we talking about? It was on stream. What you mean lies? I threw it in the trash. It was on stream. I took 2 bites and threw it away. You slammed it? It was 2, all right, it was 2 big ass bites, but I ain't finished it. Or the hash brown. How much weight have I lost already? I haven't weighed myself in like 3-4 days, but I was down. I'll show y'all right now. Y'all think I'm capping. I'll show you. You want to see what bearish looks like? You want to see a bearish trend? Let me show y'all a bearish trend. Let me show y'all a bearish market. Let me show y'all a bearish market. This is the start, by the way. Yeah, we're bearish, twin. We're pretty bearish. I've dropped like probably 30, like 39, 40. 39, 40. A little bit over 40. Like a little under 40. Have you tried any weight loss drugs or peptides? I don't know what peptides is. Everyone's talking about it. I see even skinny people on peptides. I don't know what the fuck that shit is. Max isn't here. Give a bunch of accounts away. That's a good ass idea. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good ass idea. Let's run a giveaway. Random number generator. Random number generator. How many heads we got here? 866. 866. Generate 281. All right, hold up though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're at 240, 252, 264, 276, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. FX. No tag. No tag. I'm dead ass about to fucking ban you, bro. I did not just go and count that. Hold on. Everyone, Everyone tag FX and tell him he's a fucking loser. Everyone tag this guy. Tell him with no tag. I promise you, the next time I count some shit like that, I'm fucking banning this guy. I promise you. Matter of fact, where the fuck is he? I need to kick him from this bitch. No way I just did that. He's lucky I lost his ass. All right, reroll. Reroll. We're re-rolling. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Wow. What a L, bro. Literally had a chance to a free account. 46. Yes, right at the front. 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ren. MOT tag and verified. Ren. 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 Get on stage, twin. Get on stage, Ren. Get on stage, twin. Get on stage, twin. What that? Damn. Let me get an account for this McGriddle I'm about to demolish. That boy is gripping that shit too. I'm not gonna lie. The McGriddle giveaway might be a moot.
So Skittles. Long time no speak.
We talked to you before, right?
Yeah. Guys were
We were seeing
asking if I was black.
We were seeing if he was black, right?
Yeah.
Huh. Did we come to the conclusion
That I am. Hell, I even make my own hot sauce.
20 twin.
So how you doing?
I don't know. Y'all seen that? I don't know. We'll keep talking. Oh, we're good, brother. How you been? Talk to me.
Been blowing evals left and right.
Right. At least you're not blowing dudes.
So yeah, I don't swing that way.
Right. No, that's good. I mean, bro, blowing accounts is fucking normal, bro. Like, if you can blow accounts and not dudes, I think you're already on a good path to like a good direction. Why do you think you're blowing them? What's going on?
It's patience. That FOMO, fear of missing out on that trade, instead of waiting, because I set my levels and I'll say if it gets to here, I'll get in this short or long or whatever. But sometimes I see it going and I'll get in and it gets to that level, stops me out, and then goes in the direction that. So that's the thing I'm working on, which is why my PA account right now has like 1,300.
It's not bad. I mean, that's good, bro. Did you know that patience pays for Porsches? Did you know that?
Yeah.
Right. So I mean, what? You said your PA is up 1,300?
Yeah.
It's not bad, bro. I mean, what did you change? You're just waiting now?
Yeah. I still get that tunnel vision where I'm looking and I'm not paying attention, and it's like get in. It's like, no, I'll start to catch myself, or I'll switch over to my paper trades and I'll start doing that to get in. And then once I got that out of my system, then I switch over to my accounts.
I like that idea. I mean, that's not bad, bro. I like the way that sounds. That's the type of trader I am. I just have areas of interest and I just trade off the areas. I try to avoid trading in the middle of my areas. I feel like that's what the P2P algo is for. It's to give you areas of interest. I tell people this is not a indicator that you rely on the fire off or you rely on the signals. You just have your levels and you see what type of entry criteria works best for you to take trades off of those areas of interest. That's like what I teach. That's like how I think trading should be, is have specific areas and you patiently wait for them, click buttons around those areas and see how price reacts. I mean, I like the way that sounds. Baked or fried?
Fried.
Top 3 fruits?
Watermelon, banana, cantaloupe.
Started with the big W. All right. I mean, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I think he got it. Good shit, brother. Do me a favor. Open a support ticket. You won yourself a free whatever the fuck we're giving away. Don't know what we're giving away, but open a support ticket. They'll figure that out. And tell them Lama said you're good for an indicator too. I want to give you some levels, see how that plays out, see if that helps you out.
Thanks, Lama.
Gotcha, brother. Anything you want to say?
You guys are awesome, and you're not gay.
You're not white. That's my boy right there. Nice. Good work. Not gonna lie. Good work. Let's give away another one. 583, bro. If this guy's not verified in the 500s, so look, this is how we do it. We run a random number. It tells us the number of, then we go look for it in the Discord. So I have it in rows of 10. There's 780 people. I need to go find number 583, and if they're not fucking verified, I promise you I will ban these people. I promise you, because the amount of work it takes to count that shit without getting lost, without the shit moving, is a headache. What are we at? Let me go find it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 19, 3. Texas Trader. Texas Trader. So I started from the bottom on that one. Instead of going down 500, I way faster. Screenshot what? Screenshot the 583. Here you go. 583 was the number. Now, if I send a screenshot of the person, it's not going to make sense because this is what I see. I just see this many people. So it's not going to do anything for you for proof. Texas Trader. I'll give you about a fucking minute or two. Texas Trader, get your ass on stage, son. Texas Trader. Come on. Good old Texas. Can't get up right now, brother. Give it away. I'm not going to lie to you. A man of the people like that. Open a support ticket, Texas Trader. Go get yourself a P2P indicator just like that, brother. Congratulations. That's a man of the people right there. That's crazy. Open a support ticket. You want yourself a free indicator. Just like that. Let's see. Number 313, right in the middle. This one's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, and 3. Brett. Gotcha, Texas. Congratulations, brother. Brett, get on stage, twin. Get on stage. Not gonna lie, my wife's ass is bigger. Send a picture for proof. Just to verify your statement. Damn. Let's see what I was talking about. Nice. Rip some packs. If you want to see me rip packs, you gotta go to the whatnot. Brett, what's up, brother? Camera's on. Talk to me.
Yo, what's up, man?
Good, brother. How's everything?
It's all right. Trading's been up and down, but I know it's my own problems,
Okay. How's it been treating you?
Not too bad. I'll just say I keep having the same problems where I end up overtrading and I make money back. So too deep red, and then takes too long to make it back or something like that, Just my own little overtrading. Same problems.
Happens. Let me see what type of what you got up on your belt. Futures 1. Okay. Futures 1 student. How's that been?
It's good. I think one of the problems for a while, maybe still a little bit, is really nailing down like specific ass entry criteria, where like, because it's, you got your strategies and Max in there, so trying to really nail it down, make sure I'm not looking for too much, over analysis paralysis kind of thing.
Yeah. I mean, like when it comes to entry criteria, a lot of Max's entry criteria I also use. I just didn't talk about it in Futures One because I didn't want to reteach what he.
Right, right.
If you ever see Max's entry criterias, I don't know if it would be like Fute 1 or Fute 2. I don't want to say the names, but
Right, right.
like, you know, like the specific ones, you know what I'm talking about? I
Yeah, it
use
might be
those
a
as
little
well.
better.
So if you can wait for that around my areas of interest as well, which I also use Orb, I just also pair it with fib levels and other types of things. You'll try to find a little bit more success. I try to tell people you want to have multiple trades. You can have multiple or a stacked area of interest where it's interesting because of multiple reasons, and then just wait for multiple entry criterias. You now should have a higher probability to trade and persistent on finding success on that trade.
Yeah,
So if
definitely right.
you're struggling with that, I don't think analysis paralysis is a thing with the futures one because we look at almost the same thing.
Right.
Like
I
if
think it's also
you,
my psychology a little bit too. Just
yeah, it's always going to be psych, but I mean, it's not bad. It doesn't sound like you're doing too bad. Just kind of focus up
yeah.
and just kind of wait for, like, you know, you need to have multiple to do things. You want to have multiple reasons on why you get into trades, why this area is, what made you jump, and it kind of gives you a little bit more confidence to hold the trade. Maybe not even don't even trail it. You know, just let it run from a TP from an SL to a TP. Just see what happens.
Yeah, I get trailed out a lot and it goes in my direction, so probably need to dial down and chill a little bit, let it play out.
Yeah, I know that I had that same problem. I used to never trail and I started trailing now, and it fucks me too. And a lot of people always ask me, you know, questions about trailing, and there's a reason I don't a section in my course for trailing, because it's
Yeah.
all subjective. It's all up to you. How much money are you comfortable taking? How
Right.
do you feel like you should get out? I used to really just enter and have an SL and a TP, and the most I would do is a break even. And that was like after a while. Like I wouldn't even break even anytime soon. So
Yeah, I did notice.
like it's not teachable, especially with Trump tweets. People think like, what could I have done differently? Nothing. Like Trump
Yeah.
is tweeting, a random headline comes out, like there's nothing. So like, you know, a lot of people look for an answer that's not even like there. They think there's gonna be like this one answer that's the light bulb in their head, and it's about what, like, when you finally start to understand the things you've already heard. Like, anybody is gonna say that you're gonna be like, oh shit, wow, I never heard that. It's we're all recycling around the same things because there's only 2 to 3 things you need to do in trading, which is not over trade, not over leverage, and then psychology. That's it.
Yeah. Straight
So
up.
that's good, brother. I mean, open a support ticket. You won yourself a free account. Is there anything you'd like to say?
I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
Appreciate you, bro. All right, Max isn't here. So what does that mean? Do we do a third one? Do an account giveaway to the best MLT GIF. All right, go. Best MLT GIF is gonna get it. Best MLT GIF is get damn. Shit. I really like that Napoleon Dynamite one. I like that one. Me hitting the sea lion's pretty good there. Wow, Teddy Guap with everybody having the fucking the Edgar cut is impressive. Teddy Guap. So far I got Teddy Guap and the runner up. Teddy Guap's looking good there. I'm not gonna lie, that's a good one. Damn, they made Coach thick as fuck. Jesus Christ. Let's see, what are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? I think so far number 1 we're having Teddy. Damn, Javi and a bra was crazy. I think so far. Damn. Okay. I think so far we'll give it about 1 more minute. I want to say Teddy Guap is kind of with the Edgar cuts for everybody. That was impressive. The impressive Edgar cuts. Fat ass coach at the butcher. That's impressive. Hmm. Throw goat in a PSA 10. Impressive. Is he with the glizzy? Nice. Nah, I think I think Teddy Guap with the everyone in the Edgar coach's baby mama discounted her puss for 78.6% off. I'm buying. That was a good statement. That was a very good statement. Very good statement. All right. No, Teddy Guap. Teddy Guap, I think, was the winner there with the nice little Edgars. The whole staff. I'm typing Edgar instead of Teddy Guap. Teddy Guap. Very clean. Teddy Guap, come on stage. Didn't we have you up yesterday?
Yeah, man. Yo, I was up yesterday too. Yeah.
2 days back to back.
Back to B2B, man. On that P2P. I'm bad. It's early as hell, and I'm out outside. I just moved into a new crib, so yeah.
I don't know, twin. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. How about this? You get yourself any free indicator you want. We can't give you another account.
Yeah, people be winning every day. Nah, I'll take whatever. I ain't gonna complain. I'm
People
with it, but
every day.
that's real too. That's real too. Hey, but I only really use P2P, and I got it for like until next week too. So, and then I'm re-ing up another month. So, I'll take whatever it is. I ain't tripping.
I respect that. I actually respect that. Open a support ticket, see if they could slap another free week on top or something like that.
I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Y'all be easy, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Man of the people. We're not going to give them 2 days in a row. Man of the people. You feel what I'm saying? We're firm and fair. Just going to have to run another random number generator. 365, 650, 653, 327. Right in the fucking middle, bro. Right in the fucking middle, bro. 90, 100, 110, 120, 30, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 30, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alaskan hog. Didn't we just, weren't we talking about this guy earlier? Alaskan hog? Did he come up too? No, right? I feel like Max just read his name out loud. He donated. Oh, okay, cool. So he didn't get nothing for free. Not bad. Not bad. Alaskan hog. Come on stage, son. Yuck for the people. What did Yuck do? Alaskan hog, come on stage. Yuck did not send a video raw dogging a glizzy while driving, bro. Like, bro, warm it up or something.
Hello?
Alaskan hog, talk to me, brother. You got a camera?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it turned on right now.
That boy was raw dogging a glizzy. What the fuck is a glizzy? A hot dog. He's eating a raw hot dog while driving. Of all things to eat while driving, you could have got a bag of chips, a donut, maybe a fucking honey bun, a protein bar. He's hot. He's raw. I can't even talk. Raw dogging a glizzock, a fucking shaboing boing, a shebang bang. Like, he's raw dogging a shaboing boing while driving. That's crazy work. Devious work. Alaskan hog. Are you from Alaska?
No, so I'm from Arkansas. That's where the hog comes from. I was stationed in Alaska when I was in the military. So
Nice,
I just
bro.
kind of I'm a Razorback fan. That's what Arkansas. That's where the hog comes from for Arkansas. So
Nice. Thank you for your service.
appreciate that.
Right. So how's everything been?
Absolutely terrible. A lot of it's my fault. I think I've gotten, kind of analysis paralysis, looking at quantum, watching P2P, Logan's course, and then, Mastermind course. So really just trying to
At all.
define what kind of trader I am, man. I still trying to figure that out. So
Right. I mean, you got everything. Let me see this. Yeah, you got Javi shit, Logan shit, my shit, Max's shit. You're just missing Izzy's at this point.
yeah, we need a special tag for people that have all the courses.
Right. I mean, you've tried everyone's. Which one resonated with you more?
So I like to trade. I'm kind of like Javi in the fact that it's kind of like a video game. Unfortunately, I just kind of suck at it and I kind of break my rules. But then I step back and I look at, the fibs and I see that reaction around the levels. I think my stops are too tight. I need to size down. I've been doing like six micros with a 15-point TP, 15-point stop, kind of going for that 1-to-1, and then have some runners going. But then I see you hold stuff, level to level. And, when I back test, it looks great. But when I forward test and do it in live action, it's nowhere near the same. I can find them all day long in back testing. So it's just the execution piece.
I mean, for starters, we all love to trade. Trading is an addiction. It's a literal addiction. We all love trading all day. So this is what I explain to many people is that Javi is a unicorn. It is very hard to be as disciplined as Javi.
Yeah.
It's very hard to get in trades and get out of trades and not have your mess with even a little bit. It's almost impossible. So that shit is that's why I always tip my hat to Javi, because it's impressive what he does. I think people don't understand. I think a lot of people in the Discord start to get immune to the things that each of us do, which is crazy. Javi is successfully taking hundreds of trades a day, which is fucking crazy. Nobody on the internet. Logan is successfully, consistently catching breakouts, which is to me one of the hardest things to do. It's hard to consistently catch breakouts, especially when it's a day where it's chopping. You get what I'm saying? Max is consistently just fucking in and out, just one and dunning and doing what he has to do, and trading heavy as fuck. His initial entry is three minis, so he knows to be consistent with the one and done, because if not, he's smoked.
Yeah,
you get what I'm saying? Because it's once you take that second, third trade, you can blow everything quick as fuck. And then I'm consistently catching hundreds of points, and everyone's immune. We're damn, hundreds of trades. Damn, consistent breakouts. Damn, one and done. Damn, hundreds of points. You get what I'm saying? It's people are getting immune to this, and it's you need to dial back and come back to reality. Actually, what can I do? And what would benefit me the most? And it's if you have this problem where you keep fucking trading your ass off, try trading less. Try waiting. Try waiting for that one fucking pivot hunter setup that's gonna actually break out and run. Wait for that and see if it presents. Try to wait for the one and done that Max does. See if that fucking presents. Try to wait for the one and dones that I take for or just fucking 786 candle for 100 points. Today, bro, I blew these 5 evals today because I didn't one and done. I got 100 points.
I blew my 5.
One day pass. One day pass. Let's try to get it. I blew everything.
Yeah.
I literally.
Yeah, and with your system, the levels are great, but I think where I struggle the most at is that okay, is the 786, is that the right level? Is is the next level up, which I'm not going to say out loud just because, but you know what I mean.
There's a reason 786 is the only one that's in color. It's because it's at the bottom or the top of the range, so you're typically going to react. And if the bottom or top of the range to the middle of the range, you're talking about a couple. Why do you think I can hold for so long? Because my level. If I look at my chart right now, my 786 is at 418, my 236 is at 250. That's 207. That's 170 points apart. Even from the 236 to the 0, it's 70-point move. At the bare minimum, you're catching 70 points from one level to the next level. So it's just waiting for that and taking that type of trade where it's gonna run for a minute. You get what I'm saying?
Right.
I think a lot of you guys need to understand. we're forced to be here. From 9 to 11, we're trading. We're forced to run this show. So that's why it's hard for me to one and done. Like when I do it, I find crazy successful weekend, like weeks and like months when I'm just one and doneing. But it's hard for me to take a trade, be done 6 minutes into market, and then have an hour and a half to try to entertain or try to have some fun here. But today I caught 100 points. By the time, what time was this at? 9:42. I was 120 points in profit. 12 minutes into the workday, knowing I need another hour and a half to work. So I was forced to take more trades. But you guys are not forced to take more trades. You're not forced to continue watching. That's why we try to be as entertaining as possible. So you guys can take your banger and then sit here and have fun and just watch the show. Or just fucking leave. If you want to fucking leave, you guys don't have to be here and watch this. But we try to be entertaining because we have hella students that we want to see just be disciplined, take the one and done, and fucking enjoy the show. You think I like fucking deep throating this microphone? I do.
I watch you guys every day. Even when I'm not trading, I sit here and work from home most of the time. So, I do watch you guys every day. I've even got my boss watching, which is insane work since he's kind of an older guy, but he's starting to enjoy it and asking me questions. I'm like, well, can't tell you, but there will be times when I put in my notice, boss.
That's good, bro. I mean, bro, look, what's here like a broken record. You guys know, stop over trading, stop over leveraging. It's very simple. Wait for what makes the most sense to you. If you can find these 100, bro, I give out 100 points in one trade every day.
Yeah.
If not 3 to 4 times a week, but it's typically every day, and we have plenty days where we catch a 200-point trade. Just wait for one banger and get off. Like, you're not forced to keep trading. You get what I'm saying? Like I'm forced to be here. I could have been done at 9:40. It's been almost 2 hours and I'm still here. I have to be here. You don't have to keep trading. So it's just wait. You have everything there. You have pivot. You have max. And there's times where all our shit lines up. All our, like me and Javi shit, he's always posting it. Our shit lines up like crazy. Me and Logan shit lines up too. Everyone's shit lines up. So if you can have a prime area and any of those indicators that actually fire off an entry, because Javi's and Logan's are going to fire off like jump in, sell, jump in, buy, and you can have that confluence, hold it till my next level. They're going to fire off the entry, and you can just hold it until my next level, which is going to be at a 50 to 70 points at a minimum. And that's if you're talking about 236 to 0. If it's 786 to 236, you're talking about over 100 points, sometimes 200-300 points. Right. And if you go from one side of the range to the other side of the range, it's hundreds of points. There's a reason that I only use the 236 and the 786. It's so I get rid of all the other levels and I don't hesitation in my head. What I used to, you have the course. Mm-hmm. I used to have the 236, the 382, the 0.5, the 618, the 786, the 1. So many levels. I got rid of everything, so there's no noise. There's no other fib trader in the industry that only uses these 2 levels because it's not taught. This is something that I did to help my psychology. Yeah. I don't want to have so many levels. I'm at the 0.5. What do I do? Do I jump in? Do I start partialing out? What do I do? Like there's so many more options when you have all these levels. I key areas where now I know if I go level to level, it's a minimum of 100, 200 points. If you're struggling to catch that, it's because you're not being, confident. Just be confident. The shit plays out in your face every fucking day, every day.
And that's the crazy thing is because I see it every day, but it's the execution piece. And I think that's probably what a lot of people struggle with on here is the execution and trusting that, you've learned what you need to learn and that this is going to reverse. Do I trust it though? And I think that's where the biggest
issue what I've been telling people. I've been telling people you need to be confident in the strategy, believe in the strategy, which if you've bought the course, you believe in the strategy. This is what I try to ingrain in people's head. If you've already purchased the material, it's because you believe it. Now, the second hurdle is believing in yourself that you actually learn the shit.
Yeah.
Because it's that simple. If it's playing out every fucking day, it's not fucking hard. I've been doing this shit in front of y'all for 15 months, successfully 15 months, hundreds of points every single day. So the shit works. You know it's not that hard, especially when you go through it. Like, bro, my course, 6 to 8 hours of education. It's 15 hours of psychology, and then there's probably like another 8 to 10 hours of the recaps, which is teaching you the step-by-steps you learned, how I put it together every single day for like 70 videos. It's not hard. It's the same. Go through the recaps and read the captions. You're going to see that it's the same shit I look for the same shit every day. So it's not hard. So people now start to see it, and then they're like, there's no way I see it. And then they FOMO into the trade later because it starts playing out. Just believe in yourself that you put the fucking time in. You're putting in how many hours? 2 to 6 hours a day going through this shit. And you're and like eventually after 2 to 6 hours every fucking day, you're gonna learn. Like now you need to understand, I do know what the fuck I'm looking at. Just because you're losing doesn't mean that what you're looking at is incorrect. It just means your execution is wrong. Why is your execution wrong? Because you're not confident. So be confident in yourself. You're not a fucking idiot. Like bro, I'm a dropout, and I self this. You now have access to the to me, to coach, to the hundreds of students that are going to answer all the, and you're in all the fucking chat.
Yeah.
So it's like you can always ask these questions, and if someone has done it, that means you can do it. Not even if I'm the one that's done it. Go look through the fucking my testimonial section is fucking popping. We got hella fucking students that have done it, which means you can do it. Hella student. I'm about to get my first millionaire student. With he's like in about a month or two. He's right there, and there's plenty in the 6 figures. If they can do it, you can do it. It's very simple.
Oh, I believe I can do it. I have no doubt that I can do it. It's just like I've got to break over that plateau. You know, I finally passed the evals last week. I've got 2 fundeds. I blew 5 apexes today. Of course, I was only like $300 or $400 away from blowing them. So I took that trade. I think you know, that first inverse of you know, first thing this morning, and it just wicked out. I mean, it is what it is. You know, it happens. I think you got wicked out or something on the same play. But it's like, okay, brushing that loss off and going on to the next day and trusting that the same process is going to work and that it's not going to fail. I definitely struggle there because I'm like, well, it failed yesterday, you know, so I see it start going down and then I hit the, you know, flatten button and get out. And then what does it do? It goes in your favor.
Just re-go through the material. I think a lot of people forget that this is, you have the videos lifetime.
Yeah.
And I always refer to people like in movies, when you rewatch, you're going to see something that like you didn't see the first time. You're going to see something where you're like, damn, I didn't even peep that. So it's the same thing with the course. You're not going to like imagine if in a movie and you watch fucking Nemo, a 2-hour movie, you watch it the second time, you're going to notice fucking something about Dory or some bullshit about Nemo or fucking his dad, something you didn't notice the first time you watched, and that's only a 2-hour movie. You're not going to go through a 25-hour course and think you understood everything on the first go. It's impossible. Right. So just and I have a video in the course literally saying, I want you guys to go back. I want you to go back. I have a video saying, watch this. And it says, go back and review these videos and then continue watching. I have a video saying that. It's labeled, watch this. And the first thing I say
my
is,
wife actually texted me today because I texted her that I popped my accounts, and she's like, so if I wanted to learn, how would I watch the videos? And I'm like, well, she's a nurse, so you know, she's not here during the daytime, obviously.
They're sitting there. You give her your WAP and she sits there and starts watching videos little by little.
Yeah. We're going to talk about when she gets home because she wants to know which one. But like your course doesn't actually, she has no clue what a candlestick is. She doesn't know what any of that stuff is. And if I recall correctly, I don't think you actually go into candlestick, like what a candlestick, do you?
Candles and shit like that. No, I go through what is trading, but I'm gonna redo the first videos just because they were from my other house and in on my other micro shit. So I'm gonna re-go through and remake a lot of those things. But you can definitely go through like YouTube. Baby Pips is one of the first sites that I had used. Baby Pips that explains. Yeah, look, there's the video. Must watch. You can go through these things that teaches you the literal basics of what is a candle. All that type of shit is free. The Candlestick Bible with the Asian guy too. You can go through like all of that is completely free. So it's all there for you. Like the beginner, and that's what I'm going through with my girl. My is going through the shit too, but she needs to learn the same thing. What is a candle? And I'm here trying to teach her the basic shit of what a fucking candle is. But you know, like it's doable. There's so much beginner shit. And then this is for the like, not, it's beginner friendly, but it's not that beginner where what is a candle? So it's just go through the shit and re-go through all the material. Logan has, I think, 20 hours as well, 30 hours in his shit too. There's no way you went through 50 hours, 60, 100 hours worth of, like, Max's shit also has another 30 hours. Like, there's no way you're going to just understand everything.
Yeah. And I think that's what I need to do. And I actually started rewatching your videos the last week because my son is also, like, he was a big TGR fan, who's the other guy that was at the conference? I was at brought my son to the conference with me. Dodgy. He really likes Dodgy style, but just couldn't figure stuff out. And I was showing him, like, I was in here watching some of your videos, and he still lives with me, and comes down and starts looking at it. He's like, well, that makes more sense than what Dodgy's teaching. I was like, I mean, pick something and learn it. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I'm struggling too. And me and him get into little arguments. I mean, I'll know when he has a bad trade because the door will slam and he'll come walking through the hall. I mean, it's freaking hilarious. So, and I can't practice what I preach. Like, I tell him, calm down, log off, and yet I don't do the same thing. But I know what to tell him to do.
It's easy to tell. Brother, I'm very transparent with all my students. I tell you guys, it's very easy for me to tell you what to do and what not to do. And I understand that it's hard to actually do it because like today, took 100 points, 12 minutes into the day, I was up 5 bands on the accounts. What am I thinking? I might as well try to pass them same day. 1 point away, 1 point, 5 ticks. I was a point and a quarter off from passing, fully reversed, DCA'd, popped the accounts.
Unfortunately, it was probably a really good lesson for the rest of the people watching.
I would have been done.
Lesson. Yeah, it was a great lesson for us that was watching on what not to do.
But we're all normal people. We all know what to do and what not to do. The difference is that I'm forced to be here and you guys aren't.
Right.
That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. Is that I'm forced to be here and keep trading and have fun and try to entertain, but still try to pass accounts and shit like that and take less quality. I tell all the students, if you don't see what I'm taking and what I like, if you understand what I'm taking, then don't take it, because I'm here trying to take trades. But if you see quality, you take the quality. You see a good trade, you take the trade. And you're done. And you come back the next day. Like go through the shit. You're going to see it's every fucking day a minimum of 100 points. With 100 points a day, you're already like 80% better than it. Like off the rip. Off the rip, you're already shitting on almost everybody.
Well, I'm going to be more active in your channel. I've been, kind of going through the different channels. I haven't been as active in the P2P channels I have with Quantum. I know me and Javi did a one-on-one back in January. And I've done well. Like, I got funded using his stuff, but then, like, I started trading on the fundeds, and it's I guess just a psych thing, and I'm not doing the same things I was doing before. So I'm kind of pausing on that and not trying to blow those. But I'll definitely be more active. I know the P2B guys are in there always helping each other. So, and not just them, like there's students in each one of these channels. So for those that are listening that have not gotten a course, like every one of these channels I've been in, whether it's, Logan's channel or Quantum or P2P or Max, these guys help you. The guys are there all day helping. So, if you're questioning it, there's a reason I bought, multiple courses and done coaching. Even though I'm not profitable, I still tip the staff, because they're fantastic. These guys are on here every day. They're listening right now, and they take action quick. I've never had an issue with this site. So tip the staff. Lama, you're not gay. Spend more time with the kids. I was deployed twice for my first 2 and missed out on the early years. Third one, fortunately, I got to be a stay-at-home dad for a year and realize how much time you miss. So if I give you any advice, spend time with those kiddos.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Open a support ticket, brother. You got yourself whatever the fuck you want, honestly. Whatever you want, it's yours, bro.
Sounds
give
good,
him an
brother.
account, guys. Give him an account and give him the P2P and the.
Sounds good, brother. Yeah, have a good one.
Appreciate you, bro. Just like that, boys. We had a fucking crazy good student come up and give out a little site call, guys. We're all the same. We all go through the same shit. It's completely understandable. You are the only thing holding you back. That's it. So we're going to wrap it up here, guys. It was a pleasure. Great fucking day. Even I popped my accounts. I don't really give a fuck. It is what it is. But we did catch a banger, which is what matters. And if you did one and done, congratulations. You avoid shit. Congratulations. Killed it. Thanks for the BP short at the beginning. Good shit. 1,000 across all the PAs. MG. Love that. Guys, remember all we asked for? Tip the staff. Nothing else fucking matters. Tip the fucking staff. That's all we really fucking care about. And if you're going to buy a prop, use code PDM on every single prop firm. And if you're on TPT, you can use code P2P. That's how we get accounts to continue to give them away to you guys. So we highly appreciate that. Go follow the educators. It helps us out tremendously. We want to grow this to 100,000 members in the Discord by the end of the year. We're on a rapid uprise. Let's stay bullish, break out into newer highs, hit 100,000 members. And like bro said, investing in education makes you take it a little bit more serious. If you want to, you guys know where to find it. We appreciate y'all. Tip the staff. We're out this bitch. Anarchy, drop that hot shit. I'm out of here.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with the grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Holiday, holly on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo. Candles talk. What they saying? They say trend strong. Y'all keep praying. Which shout? What they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stand. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet. Yo! Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet. Yo.